Come to the National Snow Show at the NEC in Birmingham. It's a great couple of days, especially if you want to check out holidays, ski equipment, snowboard equipment. It's brilliant. The other thing is they've just announced a new show in London. So next year you'll have Birmingham and London. It's going to be a whole week of fun-filled activities for skiers and snowboarders all over the country. So we went to check out a few different things here, including this. Lovely new skis. Beer with peach. And saucy underwear. And Olympic snowboarders. Book a holiday.
Funky retro ski clothing.
Eddie the Eagle. Fake Eddie the Eagles. Sick kids on the boards. Things to test your balance. Tons of giveaways. Amazing ski instructor lessons. Great shopping bargains. Wonderful snow sports charities. Massive ski areas. Really cool helmets. And loads of brand new boots to get yourself fitted into. And you can end it all with some après ski tunes. It's been a brilliant couple of days here at the NEC in Birmingham at the National Snow Show. Go and check out their website, thenationalsnowshow.com, for details for next year's show and also the new show that's launching in London.